Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new recipe today. We are making a chicken dish today called Bhuna chicken. This is a semi-gravy dish which you would have had at restaurants. The ingredients list is given in the description box below. So let's jump right into the video. So first I have marinated the chicken with turmeric and lime juice. I'm going to rub it nicely and then keep it aside for 30 minutes to marinate. I've also roasted the whole spices and I'm going to ground it to a coarse powder. Next I've got a pan in which I've heated some ghee and oil. Into that I'm adding the bay leaf followed by the finely chopped onions. We'll cook the onions until they start to change color. Then we add in the crushed ginger and garlic. Let it cook until the raw smell disappears. Then we'll add in the green chillies. Now it's time to add the red chilli powder and coriander powder to this mixture and cook it until the raw smell disappears. Now I've added chopped tomatoes. I've removed the skin from the tomatoes before chopping them. I'm going to add this along with some salt and let it cook until it softens. Once the tomatoes have softened, we are going to add the marinated chicken to this and mix it nicely so that the masala coats it. I'm going to add the rest of the salt to taste. Mix it well and then add the coarsely ground spice powder. Mix everything well. And then add some water for the chicken to cook. Now cover and let the chicken cook nicely. So the chicken is cooked well. Now let's add the cashew paste to this. This will thicken the gravy slightly. Again, mix well and let it cook for another 2-3 minutes. Now the gravy is nice and ready. This will thicken as it cools down. Let's add the kasuri methi to this and allow it to boil for another 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, the chicken curry is ready to be served. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.